Hi there. Greetings from Vissco. Let us now see how to wear the Vissco abdominal belt. Product code 0501. The Vissco abdominal belt helps to support and tone the weak abdominal muscles. It is used as a post-pregnancy support after abdominal surgery and as a tummy trimmer. For the product to be most effective, it is important to select the right size. Take a measuring tape and measure the circumference of the abdomen at the navel level. You can then select the appropriate size. From the chart on the box, you can select from small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. Now that you have selected the right size, let's wear the product. First, unfasten the velcros and open the belt. Wrap the belt around the abdomen and lock to a comfortable and snug fit. Congratulations! You are now wearing the product correctly.